Happy good morning.
Good morning!
Hey Sunny, today I'm going to show you how to quickly cut out an Easter egg shape.
Exciting!
To begin, you'll need a piece of paper, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. Begin by folding your paper in half on the long side. Now crease along the edge. With your pencil, draw the shape of a capital D. Cut out your shape. Do you see the capital D? You should now have an inside cutout and an outside cutout. Let's use our inside cutout as a template for our next type of Easter egg cutting. You'll need a piece of cardboard. Mine came from an empty box of Kleenex. I'm using my egg template and a Sharpie. Trace a line around your egg. Don't worry if it's not perfect, we're just using it to trace. Use an X-Acto knife to cut out the inner piece. It should look something like this. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to watch this video here where I'll show you how to make simple crafts with your new template design. We hope you have an awesome Easter. See you again next time for more amazing craft ideas.
Happy crafting!